All right, good morning. It's another morning battle of getting out here and suffering to make your day more productive. So today's workout, it's not going to be too much because I only have 10 minutes. So I'm just throw down some maybe 10 burpees. Check out the steam. Check out the steam. That's from me running in the rain, and I got the sweater on, so it feels good to knowing that my body is sweating away that negative energy. Anyway, yeah, we're just gonna keep this. Maybe do 10 rounds, or maybe just do 10 rounds of all. So my legs are still sore, but it's just especially my inner thighs is real sore, and my quads, but yeah, right here. But we're gonna get into some. Let's do some jump squats and some squats. Let's just do that. I'll do the burpees later on. Yeah. So let's do just 10 rounds of jump squats. So 50 jump squats, 15 squats. And we're gonna end it like that. So yeah, it's raining out here. It's drizzling now. Just got done running in the rain, but it feels good. It feels good. All right, let's go. Another morning battle. We all have choices to get up, to do something to move our bodies, or we can just sit there and chill. Well, I don't think I'll be able to do the jump squats because it's slant. Yeah, that's just some squat thrusts then. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another morning battle. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, 25 in. 25 jump squats. I'm sorry, squat thrusts. Yeah. Again, it's one of those mornings, but I'm glad that I did get outside and I ran in the rain. I'm happy about that. I'm truly happy about that. All right, so here we go. Next round. I was coming up with a bunch of excuses not to do it because it was raining. I was sore. But I know that if I didn't get out here, I'm not gonna have that very productive day. So I like to keep that streak on. Even when things goes wrong, I would like to try to have a very productive day. And that's the bottom line. I have a very productive day. Two more. I don't know what number I'm on, but all right. So that's 15. Okay. All right, we got 15. All right. So this is what the morning battle is all about. No excuses. No excuses at all. by any means necessary. You have to do something. I don't care if it's jumping jacks or something. Do something. Do something that's gonna help you out. Shade a little calories. There's nothing wrong with that, starting your morning off like that. Just shade a little calories. And again, do some jumping jacks to your favorite song. It helps. Because again, you want to build the mental armor. So whenever things come your way and they're not going right, my words are, I'd rather be mad for an hour than hours. So it does help out. Legs still sore, but I'm still do my best. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Okay, 75. We're almost there. Well, I'm almost there. The legs are so damn sore. But I have another jump squat section later today, or I may do burpees with the jump squat. I'll use that as a finisher. All right. So 75 in. 75 in. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. 46 left. By any means necessary. That's why my content, my channel, I like to keep it real. I like to keep it raw, unedited, unfiltered. What's another word? Authentic. No flashy, no fluff, none of that BS. It's real motivation, no music. No music at all. No music. And yes, there are times where I may play a little music, but the majority of the time, I try my best not to use music because I want to be in my own head and fight my own thoughts. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, slipping, 8, 9, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 21 left. 21 left. Still raining out here, but feels good. All right, let's do the last one with some 2 pumps. That's 21 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. See the rain coming out high. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 21. My way hit 150. 22. 3. 4. All right, it's 150 so far. Let's do the steam coming from my body. Let's do 5 more. Two, 3, 4. All right, so there we have it. 155 burpees, well, 125 squat thrusts, and then I did some 2-pump burpees. So yeah, you see the steam coming from the body. Let's check it out. But guess what? Please get out there by any means necessary. So when the rain comes, it gives you an excuse not to get out here. No matter what, get out there and do something anyway. Even if you're inside, do something anyway, because again, the goal is to build that mental armor. You're gonna start off your day right. And this is what it's all about, just shredding the little calories. You don't have to be anything to the extreme, but just do something small. That's all it is. So it's another battle that I won this morning. Check out the steam. If you can see closely, let's see. Can you see the steam? That'll let you know. Sweating out all the negative energy out of my body. That's all it is. Have a great one. Peace out.